Yeah, hello guys. It's Monday morning and we're here to do my son's RTA license. Me and my mama. Hello. Hey. Yeah. How there, Mark? Okay, we're gonna go wipe that off. Anyway, we're here to do our stuff, so come along with us. Hey, what was this? This old lady, I don't know what she's putting on her. Okay, here goes the music. It's always the music that has you know, I dress her up, right? And then when we get into the car, I look, she's got other kind of clothes on. This old lady, this one here. I hope my son passes his hours, but he reckons he's been nailing all the answers. I don't know. That's where we're going, right there. Come on. Anyway, it's a beautiful day today. I should be at home doing my washing. But he's got to get his license done so he can be... No, he's not going to because he don't have a car. He's not going to on my car.
Ticket K104.
No, I'll just need you to read that bottom line for me.
I'll say that. O-Z-F-N-D.
Thank you.
How did it go? Did you pass, son?
Oh yeah, it was easy. Passed it pretty quick.
How much attempt did you get? 100? Did you?
No, I
Got one wrong. Should I slap him? Oh well, hey, that's better than mine, I guess. No, I got 100. That's just my son. Hug me. Love you, my son. I truly do really listen to your jobs. He only has one job in the house. Look, what's your job?
Everything.
Hey, don't be battled. You only take out one rubbish. He only takes out rubbish and he doesn't do it. Okay. And then there's my mama bear. Do you know she hurt me today, guys? Child abuse. Do we look the same? At least we don't have to go to Maury, who my mama is. She hit me today, guys. Slapped me right in front of everyone. Is that considered child abuse? Get out of my bag, woman. What are you doing?
Mum, where's my phone?
It's in there. Okay. Oh, can you pass my bag properly? You know what? You and your grandma is going to get in a minute.
121. Please proceed.
Where are you going, ladies? Let's have a blow, with it. Yeah. Lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a good day. Mariana, Marina. Nè, ôi nè. Quý vị, mấy sọc cơ, phải. Yeah, mà các vừa switch các cuộc breakfast. Yeah. Cheers. Hả? Cái đi phía ngoài. Cái mang ấy à? Ủa đi mang rồi. That looks good. Okay guys, this girl fobbed it out. The appointment was meant to be out in Westmead, not out here this way. That one over there, she did it. See, Chalora? All your fault.
It's really not. You were meant to do that.
Now, where are we gonna go? We're gonna go have lunch now, guys.
Yay!
Yeah. Now where are we gonna go? Here.
Come down to it.
Hold it properly. Oh, you got my camera.
Is it recording? Hi guys. So, mother thought
Oh, right up your nostrils.
that. Wait, hold on. I'm a YouTuber. So, mother thought that it was at where we are. I can't see the place name.
I don't care. They know where I am.
They shouldn't.
No.
Yeah, but can you not? I'm telling them my story. So, yeah.
Steady the camera because they don't want to get seasick.
Oh, I need to put my seatbelt on. Safety controls. This is a heavy camera.
Just stop putting my camera down and.
Okay, wait, you need to cut this out. Okay, now, start now. Okay, so. She thought that it was at this dentist.
Lift it up so no one looks up your nostrils. Oh my god.
Can you? You need to cut this out. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. So.
You will be out anymore.
Oh.
And I packed up as close as possible. How rude.
Go before it starts.
Wait. Wait, where am I going?
It's gonna shut.
Quiet. Oh, stop making me panic. Okay, let's go and eat. Where are we gonna go and eat? We're gonna go. Oh, let's go to
Oh, take your time. It's half past.
We're gonna go to that. Oh no, it's closed.
Where?
We go Punk's. We go Punk's.
Oh yeah. Oh, sushi. I want something. Oh, yesterday me and my friend went to the place.
Oh, you know
Is this awkward, guys? I don't know. I can't hear. I need to stop looking at myself. I need to look cute.
I'm gonna go turn around at the roundabout.
Can you put this in? I'm gonna be famous.
Stop giggling all the time for nothing.
No, because I'm gonna be famous after this.
Oh my gosh.
So guys,
Really, Chalora?
what? This is my YouTube channel, not yours.
Anyway.
But yeah, oh yeah. Why did you tell me to stop? We would have got a lot of free toothpaste.
No.
The house kind of needs it. We're running off of one little toothpaste thing.
No. You know, that's only complimentary too.
Yeah,
Hey.
see? So they're like, oh, take some because we want you to have good breath.
Oh, I don't know about you.
My
have
friend, she has Invisalign, and what it is, it's like invisible braces.
And how
she
much
has
do
it.
they cost her?
I don't know. They're like invisible braces, so you can't see them. Unless she opens up her mouth and you can see the.
It's 2:30.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? When we go to the to Plumpton, all the classes are coming now, all the school students coming out after classes, so we're gonna go and go around.
I wouldn't have mind if she gave me the Thursday one. Why did they put it on Tuesdays or Thursdays? I would rather Monday, Wednesday or Friday. Okay, cut that out.
I know.
Cut that out. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. So, we're on the way. Where are you going? I thought you said we were going to Plumpton.
We're gonna go around because if we go down there, all the kids are coming out, okay? And then we have to like go to the 40 and
Plumpton finishes at 3. It's half
it's 2:30. What?
It's half past.
Be quiet. Oh really? Well, I saw that thing blipping. What a long ride around. Okay.
Oh, waste of petrol.
Why is it just on you?
Because no one, they want to see me. This is like my first ever vlog, and it's really bad. So, I'm with my mom.
Hiya.
Yeah, I'm with my mom, and we're going to Plumpton, and I'm gonna eat sushi, but I'm not gonna show you sushi first.
Are we gonna eat? Oh, let's go to that place.
What place?
Pho.
No, I want sushi.
Are you gonna have your sushi? I'm gonna go and have pho.
Oh, that place. I thought you meant like Frozen Mountain.
No. Oh yeah, that's another time. I love there. The food is delicious. Must be me. Okay, turn it off. You're wasting my camera.
No, wait, I need to tell him a story time about today. So story time. Chula got signed out of school. Chula didn't really want to be signed out of school, but Chula got signed out of school. And then Chula came to the dentist appointment, which isn't where she was meant to be.
Westmead.
Yeah, she was meant to be in Westmead. But somebody doesn't know how to book an appointment. You know? Yeah. I always get that lady. Every time we go, I always see her.
Who?
That lady who served us.
Her name is...
I don't know.
I can't remember.
You
Sure.
think-
No, I can't remember.
Oh!
Anyway, can you just turn off my camera, please?
Bye, guys! Wait. Subscribe to my mum's YouTube channel. Or don't. It's your choice. Like. Or don't. It's really your choice. And comment. Or don't. It's your choice. Bye, guys! How do I turn it off?
The top.
This?
Yeah, push it forward. And I push it backwards.
Bye, guys!
Guess what, guys? I just finished paying for me and my granddaughter's ticket to go to the polyphonal. I hope I've done the dates right. That's what I'm worried about. The polyphonal is 6 and 7, isn't it? Well, I got that in there. And then extra 2 days to muck around. And then come home. I like these little books. I'm in Big W, one of my favourite stores in Australia. So, I got our ticket. Only 4 days. 4 days in New Zealand. Would that be enough days to eat all the lovely food that they have in New Zealand? Do you know they used to have Samboy, the green packet, the chicken flavour? And I don't know why they took it away, because I tell you what, it was packed with flavour. It was the best chicken chip, I felt, anyway. But then they keep the barbecue one. And you know Smith chips? Their best one is the cheese and onion. I want to get me and my mama a TV. So I just want to come and okay, so the TV used to be nice and cheap before. What's going on here? What is going on here? Is that a smart TV? Oh yes it is. Okay. Look, I'm trying to look for me a basket, right?
A basket there.
Look, I'm after these. Oh, here we go. Hey, can you hold this for me, please? That's my chips. This is what I'm gonna need, and I'll just get 2 of these. These are so cool, guys. Look at these. Nivea cream. They are so good for the face. So good. Come on, let's go. What happened? Yeah, okay. Well, we're gonna go and eat now. I only came in here to buy time. Oh, hang on.
Oh,
Don't owe me.
can I please have my pink?
Oh, you know what? Move away.
Temporary.
Yeah, move away with your temporary pink. Yeah. Okay? You should be more concerned about China. Do well as
Education.
Yeah, lah. Yeah. Well, sorry, buddy. Come on. Stop. No. Ooh, hang on. Wait.
My hands are frozen.
Can you just grab me one of these?
Oh, can I get me a time? I can't bend over. I'll go get a bag. I'll go get a thing.
Okay. Look what I got me, guys. I got me a hot dog. I'll show you. Okay. Oh. There we go. I know. There's a hot dog and a thick shake. Cheers, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna eat it and then wait for my daughter. My daughter ended up getting her some sushi. Didn't want what I wanted.
What do you want?
I got me a hot dog.
Oh yeah.
I got a hot dog in a bun and strawberry thick shake. Did you get you a drink?
I got me a drink.
Oh yeah, that's right, that sour drink. Okay.
You know at work, that's how they know me because of my drink. They always like, oh, you're here for that shit.
Oh well, hurry up then and do a mukbang. Is that how you do yours? Wasabi. Yep, that's how you do it. I'm hoping I booked the tickets right now. Having a little stress out about it.